Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter decimals. So in the previous class you have studied about the exercise 8.5, that is about how to add the decimals. So now let us see next exercise 8.6 about how to subtract the decimals. Exercise 8.6. Let us see that first question. What it is? Subtract so in that first one, rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. So while subtracting, you should write the second number first. So if they are given from means you should write second number first, then write the first number second. Let us see. So first write the second number. That is, how much is there? 20.75 minus first number is 18.25. So you need to write second number first while subtracting. So now 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Point is there, point. Next, take one carry. This will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. So 2 minus 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer is 2.50 rupees. 2.50 rupees. Next, in that second one, 202.54 meters, 202.54 meters from 250 meters. So first write the second number, that is 250. Next, 202.54. So 202.54. So here decimal points are not there. So you can take as many zeros as you want after the decimal point. So here decimal point number means at the last. So after the decimal point, as many zeros you want, you can take that. So here 2 decimal places are there. So I will make this one also 2 decimal places and take those as 2 zeros. Now subtract. So take carry. It will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Again, take carry. It will become 10. So 5 plus 1, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. Next, here also point is there, point. Take carry. It will become 10. 2 plus 1, 3. So 10 minus 3, 7. You need to add carry to the second number. Next, 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. That means answer is 47.46 meter. 47.46 meter. Next, C. Rupees 5.36. Rupees 5.36 from rupees 8.40. Rupees 8.40. So first write the second number 8.40 and then write the first number 5.36. Now subtract. So take one carry, it will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Next, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Next, point is that point. 8 minus 5, 3. So the answer is rupees 3.04. Next, D. 2.051 kilometers from 5.206 kilometer. 6. First number is 2.051. So the decimal points should be coincide each other. Means it should be 1 and below. So that's why you should write the numbers. Like that, you should write the numbers. So now here subtract 6 minus 1, 5. So take 1, carry. So it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Next 2 minus 1, 1. Point is there, point. 5 minus 2, 3. So 3.155 kilometer. So 3.155 kilometer. Next E, 0.314 kg. From 2.107 kg. So here it is, first write the second number, that is 2.107, and first number is 0.314. So subtract now. 7 minus 4, 3. So here it is, take 1 carry, it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Next, take 1 carry, it will become 11. So 3 plus 1, 4. 11 minus 4, 7. So here point is there, point. So 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 1.793 kg. So this is how you need to subtract the decimals. And this is about the solution of first main question. Now let us see next question, second one. Second one, find the value of in that first one 9.756 minus 6.28. So here three decimal places are there, here only 2. You can take here 0 after the decimal point, or after decimal digits you can take as many zeros you want. So now here 6 minus 0, 6. So take 1 carry, it will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Next 2 plus 1, 3. So 7 minus 3, 4. Point is there, point. 9 minus 6, 3. So the answer is 3.476. Next, second one, 21.05 minus 15.27. So take 1 carry here, it will become 15 because it is smaller result. So 15 minus 7, 8. Again take 1 carry, it will become 10. So here 2 plus 1, 3. So 10 minus 3, 7. So point is there, point. So take 1 carry, it will become 11. So 5 plus 1, 6. So 11 minus 6, 5. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So 5.78. Next, third one, C. 18.5 minus 6.79. So here only one's place digit is there. Here 1 sign, 10's place digit is there. So write this 6 below the 1's place digit only. That is means below 18 only. So here 2 decimal places are there. Here only 1. So you can take here 0. So now subtract. So take 1 carry. 10 minus 9, 1. Again take 1 carry. It will become 15. 7 plus 1, 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Point is there, point. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 8 minus 7, 1. And here it is 1 as it is. So 11.71. Next, D. 11.6 minus 9.847. So here also only ones place digit is there. So write this ones place below this ones place digit, that is below 1 only. So now here 3 decimal places are there, here only 1. So we can take here 2 zeros. So now subtract, take 1 carry. So 10 minus 7, 3. Again take 1 carry, it will become 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So 10 minus 5, 5. Next. So here it is, take 1 carry. So it will become 16. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 16 minus 9, you will get 7. Point is there, point. Next, take 1 carry. It will become 11. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 11 minus 10, 1. So here 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 1.753. So this is about the solution of second main question. Now let us see next question. Third main, Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. Rupees 35.65. So he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So how much money did he get back? Did he get back from the shopkeeper? So what here now? Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65, means the cost of book is 35.65 rupees, and he gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper, means he gave 50 rupees to the owner of that shop. And how much money he should get back? So subtract the cost of book from the total cost he gave to the shopkeeper. You will get the amount of money he should get back. So amount that he should get back. Amount that he should get back. So 50 minus 35.65. So here decimal digits are not there, so you can take. So nowhere, the decimal point is nowhere means at the last. So here 2 decimal places. Take here 2 decimal places as a 0. Now subtract. Take 1 carry. So 10 minus 5, 5. Again take 1 carry, it will become 10. 6 plus 1, 7. So 10 minus 7, 3. So point is there, point. Next take 1 carry, it will become 10. 5 plus 1, 6. So 10 minus 6, 4. Next 3 plus 1, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So The amount that he should get back is how much? 14.35 rupees. So he should get the amount back is how much? 14.35 rupees. This is about the solution of third main question. Let us the next question, fourth one. Rani had rupees 18.50. Rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. For rupees 11.75. So how much money does she have now? How much money does she have now? So here she was having rupees 18.50. So from that amount she spent rupees 11.75 for ice cream. So then how much money was remained with Rani, they asked. So subtract the amount of ice cream from the total amount she had. So you will get the answer. The money left with Rani means the amount that Rani had after buying the ice cream. Money left with Rani, which is equals to just subtract. So total amount is 18.50. And what is the cost of ice cream? 11.75. So subtract now. So take one carry, 10 minus 5, 5. Again take one carry. So it will become 15. 7 plus 1, 8. So here it is 15 minus 8. You will get how much? 7. So we will get 7. Next. So here it is 1 plus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 2. Point is a point. Again 1 minus 1, 0. That means the amount left with money left with Rani is how much? 2.75 rupees. 2.75. Sorry, here it is 8 minus 2, 6. 6.75 rupees. So this is about the solution of fourth main question. And take the remaining questions as your homework. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.